welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to share a printer onto the network in Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Settings, and you now need to click on Devices. We now need to go to Printers and Scanners on the left, and then you now need to select the printer that you would like to share to your network. I want to share this HP printer, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You then need to click on Manage, and we now need to click on Printer Properties. We now need to go across to Sharing. And we now need to tick this checkbox here where it says share this printer, and you need to keep render print jobs ticked as well, and you can now give the shared printer a name. I'm just going to leave it as HP DeskJet 3630 series. Once you are happy with the name of the printer and you have these two checkboxes ticked, you can now press OK. And there we go. That is how easy it is to share a printer to the network. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.